Every day is a busy lifestyle with the simple pleasures of life like the GREE smart function from your phone. A difference that sets your style and creativity apart from the rest. You can always find your place anywhere and anytime with the GREE power of cool. And to be the world's #1 choice, it's no easy feat. That's because GREE always stands ahead in the game with innovation and technology. While I try to be the best in everything I do, times I appreciate most are with my family. And knowing with GREE, my family will always be taken care of, I never have to worry. When you have a partner in GREE, every day is a cool day.